Are you nervous?
Yes.
Why are you nervous?
Because I feel like everybody hates me.
Why?
Because of the internet.
Here we go. Do you want to get married someday?
Yes.
Have you ever been in love?
Yes.
Have you ever told your significant other you love them and gotten no response?
No.
Do you think everyone has a soulmate?
No. I'm getting increasingly nervous, but everything I'm saying is true. Okay. Oh, it starts showing that I'm... Oh, sorry. I just made it react. Okay.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No.
Are you in love with this random guy?
No.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Photo, please. Have you ever had your heart broken?
Yes.
Would you date someone shorter than you?
Yes.
Is there someone out there who doesn't know you have a crush on them?
No.
Would you date a non-celebrity?
Yes. I'm getting increasingly nervous. Okay.
Do you have a favorite brother?
No.
Would you tell a friend if you didn't like their haircut or outfit?
Yes.
Do any of your friends use dating apps?
Yes.
Have you ever used a dating app?
No.
Is it okay to check your significant other's phone or emails?
No.
Have you ever done this?
Yes, but with permission. I was young. I learned my lesson.
Are any of your friends too needy?
No.
Text too much?
No.
Over communicate?
No. I mean, yes, but that's what I like about her.
Are you talking about this woman?
No.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Positive?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, photo.
I don't know why I keep giving myself the most stressful ones. Oh, God. Every time I look at it, it jumps. I choose beauty.
Have you ever tried the Kylie lipstick?
Yes.
Do you wear makeup to the gym?
No.
What are you looking at?
Well then, what are you looking at?
I'm looking for the truth.
Yeah, me too.
If somebody showed up at the same party with the same outfit, would you change?
No.
Okay. And let's get into philosophy. Do you know anyone in the Illuminati?
No.
Are you in the Illuminati?
No.
You have a moral dilemma.
Yeah.
A train is speeding down the tracks about to hit a group of 20 people. If you pull a lever, you can divert the train to a track that would kill only one person. Do you pull the lever?
To save 20 people, yes.
Mm-hmm. What if instead of pulling that lever, you had to push that one person in front of the train to save those 20 people?
Yes. I mean, it would be psychotic not to. In fact, every time I'm in the subway, I always think about pushing people on the tracks. I don't do it, I don't get tempted to do it, but it crosses my mind. Told you. I'm so happy that was confirmed with the polygraph that I'm a psychopath. I don't want to do it. Okay, anyway.
Do you believe in the afterlife?
I don't know. No. Leaning more towards no.
Pineapple ever be on pizza?
No. Never. Sorry, Chrissy Teigen.
When you see yourself on the screen, do you think, I did a great job?
If I did, then yes.
Have you ever had a Facebook account?
No. Oh, yes. When I was younger, yes.
Do you ever Google yourself?
Yes.
Are you afraid of anything?
Yes.
Are you afraid of this?
That's one of them. I don't like those. You may remove the picture.